Every time that I'm called out to a job, I feel that with my experience and my knowledge, I'm able to guide my customers in the right direction. I had a situation where I came into a customer's home and they had already ran their own snake. It turned out his cable actually came out of the pipe and he broke it. He actually broke the pipe by forcing it through. He backed off at that point and said, you know what, I'm gonna leave it to the professionals. He was between a rock and a hard place because it needed to be corrected. It's always best to hire a professional. If you're able to get a professional into your home, then you at least can have peace of mind. I'm able to solve a problem not many are really looking forward to taking care of. We literally go into some pretty not typical places, like being under a house or being in an attic or dealing with something like sewage, but someone's got to do it. I'm Oscar Miranda. I'm a plumber, and you can find me on Thumbtack.